you just watch now, please, if you have not hit the subscribe button, please do hit the subscribe button so that you can get more of our video. And also please show your support to our channel, share this video to other technicians, to other social media platforms, so that other technicians can see our videos. Please, your comment is very helpful for our YouTube channel. It helps us to provide you more videos. You can share your thoughts on what you want us to upload on YouTube. So just drop your comment. It's very helpful for us, and it will give us ideas of what we can make available for you guys to see on YouTube. Thank you guys for always staying tuned with us. See you on our next video. Stay blessed, guys.